Welcome back. The High Court has directed to conduct fresh trial of matters before Goa Administrative Tribunal, whose judgments were not completed and delivered by the ex-president Zaiwant Parobo. The judgments of the 69 cases before the tribunal is not available on the records, though the operative part of the orders were pronounced by the ex-president before his retirement. The High Court had taken up suo motu cognizance of this issue.
The High Court in its judgment has directed Goa Administrative Tribunal to issue fresh notices to all related parties of those 69 cases whose judgments were not completed and delivered by the ex-president Zaiwant Parobo. The High Court has further directed the tribunal to hold fresh trial of all those 69 cases. The High Court had taken suo motu cognizance following complaints regarding absence of some judgments on records whose operative part were pronounced by the ex-president Zaiwant Parobo. Initially, many more judgments were found undelivered, but on the direction of the High Court, state government searched his computer and his office and found 120 judgments. 3 more judgments were found unsigned. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
No more IT habitat at Dona Paula. State government is all set to shift Rajiv Gandhi IT habitat from Dona Paula to Tuve in Perne after a decade-long tangle. IT park is not coming up at the acquired land. Prudent had exposed the encroachments on the IT park plots 4 months back. The IT corporation chairman has expressed frustration at the GSIDC's state of affairs. Minister for IT, Francis D'Souza, now says government will acquire land at Tuve to set up much-awaited IT park.
तूं भितर ही डॅब्रीज व्हरून भरतात आनी कोणाचो पायपूस कोणाकच ना. खंय गेले जर जायत, हांव एक ITची चेअरमॅन आसा म्हणून एक दीस भितर गेलो जर जायत, गाडी घेवन फाटल्यान 2-3 गाडी लागतात आनीक धडधाकट मनीस येतात आनी म्हजे भोंवतणी घुंवत रावतात. कितें दादागिरी, खंय मस्ती कांय कळना आनी कोणाचो आशिर्वाद आसा हें कळना. सिम्प्लेक्स म्हणटे कंपनीचे कितलेशेच लोक जे लेबर आसतले जावं बाकीचे आतां मोठे मोठे सुपरवायझरय लागपाक लागले, बरे कपडे घालून येवपाक लागले. सुरवातीक ते लेबर म्हणून दिसताले, पूण आयज ते सगळे आपली स्वताची पक्की घरां हळूहळू पक्की जावपाक लागली. आतां पसून सुरवात आसा. आमी पोलीस कंप्लेन केल्ली आसा, पोलीस रिएक्ट जायनात. म्हाका खबर ना कितें म्हणून ते. अजून पर्यंत कन्स्ट्रक्शनां चालू जातात. भायले जे लेबर आसात ते लेबर थंय वास्तव करून रावपाक लागले आनी ह्या परिस्थिती भितर एक सायडीन आमी टेंडर काडटात की IT कंपनीज येवपा खातीर. IT कंपनीचे प्रोफेशनल्स थंय देंवतात, पळयतात की हांगा ट्रक मायनिंग चल्ल्या भशेन ट्रका एकाचे एक फाटल्यान लागून माती देंवयतात, दुसरे वटच्यान कोण तरी घर बांदता आनी हेच प्लॉट आमी तांकां दाखयता, हे प्लॉट तुमकां दिवपाचे. IT कंपनी खंयच्यान येतल्यो, कित्याक लागून येतल्यो? आमी मान्य करपाक जाय ह्या लोकांच्या धनधाडके लोकांच्या मुखार आमी शरणागती गेल्ले आसात. आमी खंय तरी ते पयस वचपाक जाय.
This is a frustration for the ruling MLA and the IT corporation chairman, and this was IT minister's reply.
थंयसर सगळे डम सगळे बिल्डरांनी हाडून म्हणून
तो विषय पळय 5-6 महिन्या फाटीं डिपार्टमेंट घेतला जमीन कॉर्पोरेशना कडेन आहा, ITची कॉर्पोरेशना कडेन. हो विषय चेअरमॅना कडेन करचो पडटलो. डम कित्याक जाल्या पळय ते म्हज्या अंदाजान खूब तेंप जालो चल्ला हें.
Even the minister seems helpless at the state of affairs. In the month of June, Prudent had exposed how the land acquired for IT habitat at Dona Paula had become a habitat for migrants. Plots were a home for the migrant workers hired by a high-profile contractor. The investors were shying away to set up IT shops at Dona Paula as they find the land rates too high. That too for the plots already encroached. Minister for IT, Francis D'Souza, says there is no other option left now but to shift it elsewhere.
इन्वेस्टमेंट येना कारण कितें आमी ऑप्शनाक काडलेली 25,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर आमी ब्रेस प्रायस धरलो. एकटाय ती व्हरपाक येवंक ना. हांव चवकशी करतालो कित्याक लोक व्हरना. दुसरे कडेन लोक सरकार IT फुकट दिता जमिनी म्हणटकच गोंयान विकत कितकी घेतली आनी गोंयची सगळे परस म्हारग जमीन. ताका लागून मवीन गुदिनो आनी बाकीचे आमदार आमचे सुचयताले की तुम्ही म्हारग जमणी कित्याक IT घालतात, सोय जमनीन घाला. पूण आमचे कडेन सरकारा कडेन पेडण्या भागान मात तसले जमणी आहा, म्हणजे 25,000 न्हू, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000 तसले जमणी आहा. त्यो जमणी ITक दिवं येता.
फिक्स केल्ले आहा ते पेडण्या भितर?
ना ना ना, तेजेच विशय चल्ला. म्हणजे कितें जस्ट आयडेंटिफाय केलाय.
ओके. आता ती दोना पावलची समज पेडण्या शिफ्ट केली जाल्यार दोना पावलची लँड कितें जातली?
दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटाक दुसऱ्या पर्पजाक वापरूं येता. म्हणजे कितें समज रियल एस्टेट डिमांड आहा ती वयतली 50,000 पासून वचूंक शकता ती. इट इज प्रायम लँड. सरकाराक ते पयशे गावोंक शकता.
ITG had invited sealed bids for reallotment of plots at Rajiv Gandhi IT Habitat at Dona Paula by leasing out 5 plots. However, there were no bids received for even a single plot within the stipulated time. Now the move is to shift the park, as there is proposal for setting up electronic system design and manufacturing in Tue in Pedne. The ITG chairman and minister points finger and express helplessness to deal with the high-profile contractor with an iron hand. The question remains unanswered. Why is the head of the government and the chairman of the GSIDC silent on the issue for so long? Bureau Report, Prudent.
Corporation of City of Panji will fetch revenue worth 90 lakhs through pay parking. Pay parking is set to kickstart from 15 September. Mayor Surendra Furtado informed that bid for collection of pay parking has been issued and CCP has quoted minimum 90 lakhs for the bidders. CCP will collect parking fees from 17 locations in the capital city.
Now, parking by the side of roads in Panji will cost you for every hour from 15 September. People will have to keep change in their pockets while they travel to Panji for their work. Corporation City of Panji will collect parking fees. North Goa collector had issued notification allowing CCP to collect the parking fees. Parking fees will be collected from 17 locations in Panji. Mayor Surendra Furtado informed that CCP is expecting revenue of nearly 90 lakhs within a year. Fees will be as per type of vehicle and hours of parking.
We are going to have 18 places. That the 18 June Road have got their wings, side wings. That an entire church square, including Cafe Bosle Square and all. The bidding is 90,000 rupees, 90 lakhs per year.
Pay parking will begin from 15 September on 18 June Road, Pandurang Pisul Lekar, Elvina Brito Road, Church Square, Dr. R.S. Road, Kunya Rivera Road, Messias Gomes Road, TB Kunya Road, Menezes Braganza Road, Anta de Narania Road, Dr. Govind Vaidya Road, Bonsley Square, General Bernardo Guedes Road, Governador Pestana Road, Caitan de Albuquerque Road, Dr. Wolfango de Silva Road and Swami Vivekanand Road. With this initiative, CCP intends to clear idle parking and make space for vehicles in the Panji city. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.